I have already ensured all the people in the village. I will say that such incident will never happen. That means I will not keep them. I don't want to take any risk. Within 1 week time, I will ship them from both the dogs. I have got American Bulldog and this one.
Rottweiler.
Both I will ship them.
Okay.
So just give me 1 week time. This has happened. If we are there at home, this would have never happened.
Yeah.
We were not there at home. Even the maid who looks after, take care of the cage, was also not there. He had come for some work. We told our maid to prepare food. It was already 7 o'clock. Prepare food and serve. When she went, she couldn't control. The gate was slightly open. It pushed her and came. So this happened. By the time we reached, we were in February. By the time we reached, we were already late. So yesterday we were there till 2:30 in the hospital only. It's just like our child. I will take care of them till they become totally okay. Now they are improving. Both are fine. Today we served all food, whatever soft drinks, juice, everything since morning till the thing. Till they delay whatever from discharge from the hospital, from home also. Till they become okay, I will take care and I will compensate them also, so that they are very small people. It's my duty to take care of it. So this instance will never happen again. I will not keep them at all. So there is no chance of even I will not take them out also, because some people said what guarantee is there, it will have a control. So that is also a risk for me. If I look at it, I will not. What to do? I will try to keep them in the inside only, and I will send them within 1 week time.
Sir, Goa State Commission for Child Rights, they have written to Panjim Police seeking action against you. How are you going to defend yourself?
See, it's an accidental. It's not in my hand what has happened.
But it is negligent on your part. You are the owner of the dog, sir.
Yes, of course. I take that. I take it on that. Because I am the owner, automatically comes out. Because this happened, caretaker was not there. Maid went to try to serve. She couldn't control, and at that moment only childs were there outside. It has happened. So I apologize, and I will see that this will never happen again. That much care I will take. This will happen. So I will ship the both people, and there will be no any such casualties or something like this happening in future.
So you on camera, so you admitted that you don't have a professional handler for the dog.
With that boy, it is both his handling.
But
what happens? I don't want to take risk in that.
Yes,
now with this situation.
But is he certified, sir? Is he a certified handler?
No, certified because from
is he trained?
He is only handling them. So with them, he is not going to sit. इतले आता आम्ही किती 1 वर्ष झाले हांगा येवन. केन्ना अशी जावना. He was taking care. केन्ना अशी जावना. This is the first time when nobody was there at home. This incident happened. So with this, looking at this scenario, in future we will be having more trouble. So I will shift them from.
त्यात आमच्या लोकांच्या मदतीने उतर दिलें आसा की आपण त्या डॉगाक शिफ्ट करता आनी जे भुरग्यांक कितें आसा ते आपण टेक केअर करता. सो लोकांनी एग्री जाल्ले आसा आनी म्हाका जाल्यार अपील करचें दिसता. सगळे कॉलनी जे पळय डॉग सुणे आसतालो ती सुणी कसली तुमी हें करची, म्हणजे लोकांक अटॅक करपाची थोडी डेंजरस सुणी घेयनाका. ही सुणी आमकां समाजाक गरीब लोकांक त्रास करता, कित्याक आमच्या भुरग्यांक. सो आय अपील टू ऑल द कॉलनी पीपल असले घेतला सुद्दां तुमच्या भितर दवर. दॅट इज माय अपील टू द पीपल ऑफ तालिगांव. जेन्ना तुमी आपणाच्या सुण्यांक तो सांबाळनात, तुमी सुण्यांक दुसऱ्याक पंचायती ब्लेम करता. दीस इज एज पर द गव्हर्मेंट. दीस थिंग गव्हर्मेंटान सगळें क्लियरिफाय केल्लें. जेन्ना त्या मनशांक घरान पळय सुणे आसता तिणें हें चिंतूंक जाय दीस इज अ लॉ फॉर द एनिमल. तालिगांवच्या पंचायतीन वी हॅव आमी स्ट्रक्चर बांदलेले आसा एनिमलाचे आनी गोरवांचे. म्हणल्यार ऑलरेडी कंप्लिटेड. ओन्ली आमी रावता कित्याक इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराक. आय थिंक 2-3 म्हयने इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जाता. मागीर डॉक्टर बीन जायना तिका ऑपरेशन करपाक. आनी आमी आमचे ओन आसा. सो आमी पावंड सगळ्या गोरवांक बीन आसतले आफ्टर 2 or 3 months.
कितें जाता एश्युरन्स कितें दिलो?
एश्युरन्स ताणें दिला न्हू. ताणें सांगला की आपल्या सुण्यांक तो पडटलो, दवरचें नाका. हय विथीन वीक. आनी हांवें सांगलां की तूं पंचायतीक रिटर्न दी अंडरटेकींग, सो दॅट फाल्यां फुडाराक तशें जावंक नाका. सो ते मागीर अंडरटेक आय वील आनी त्या भुरग्याचे केअर घेता सगळे कंपल्सरी करता. सो आमचे सगळे लोक ताका हें जालें, म्हणजे ताका एग्री जाला. आनी आय होप ताणें तशें सांगले त्या प्रमाणे ताणें हें करचें.